Hi everyone, this is Sean Virch, and I just wanted to hand off the course for this next week. It's going to be entirely taught by Aaron Heckman. He's very active in the Node.js community, and he's the maintainer of the Mongoose project, which is an ODM for MongoDB. I hope you've gotten a lot out of the course so far. I've enjoyed working on these lessons. All the remainder of the lessons will be done by Aaron Heckman. So, what is Mongoose? Mongoose is actually an ODM for MongoDB. So you know MongoDB does not have a schema. And if you remember from the blog project, we had a lot of code that was basically doing validation. So we had that posts object, we had the sessions object in JavaScript, we had the users object in JavaScript. And the whole purpose of those objects was to provide sort of a layer with methods that we could call that would sort of validate the documents as they go in and insert them into MongoDB. We could have just called insert directly, but having those data access objects kind of gave us a layer of validation. So that's exactly what Mongoose is. Mongoose is just sort of a generalization of that idea, and you can sort of define a schema for your documents, and as you do inserts, Mongoose will validate the documents and insert them into MongoDB. It has a lot of other features in terms of the user interface, as well as functionality sort of beyond the driver. It's actually built on the Node.js driver, but it's sort of a library to make what you're doing significantly easier. So Aaron Heckman will be talking about Mongoose for the whole week, and he'll be talking about Mongoose in the context of the blog project. So he'll be showing you how to make the blog using Mongoose. Additionally, he'll be using Jade instead of Swig as the template engine. It's just a different choice. It's the same idea as just you're able to have an HTML file and it'll generate the template and sort of populate this HTML template with dynamic data. So as Aaron goes through the blog project and as he introduces you to Mongoose, I would recommend sort of referencing the old blog project, looking at those data access objects to see really how much Mongoose is doing for you and sort of where the value comes.